guys, this is Michaela at Cold Creek Nurseries in Aiken, South Carolina, and I'm super excited today to show off all of our geraniums. These geraniums were grown at our farm, so they have been grown with care just for you. Geraniums are great flowers for full sun and partial shade. Just like you and I, during the middle of the summer, we don't want all that full sun on us. So geraniums would like to have a little break in the day, in the hottest part, from the sun. These guys are going to flower all the way through fall, and they make great for dropping in your containers, having as a patio pot, or even as hanging baskets. Geraniums come in a vining form as well, and this is an ivy geranium, and it likes to trail down with a little bit smaller flower. Really nice thing about geraniums, the more you deadhead them, and that means to remove the spent flowers, the more they're going to bloom for you. And it's really easy to do that. This particular flower here is starting to be what we call spent or bloomed out. So you reach all the way down into where that stem attaches to the plant, and you just simply snap it off. Again, that encourages larger and more blooms. Geraniums like a little bit of fertilizer. Use a fertilizer in your water that has a high phosphorus number. Phosphorus promotes the blooms. This is a water-soluble fertilizer, or you could go with something like Flower Tone. Feed your geraniums and keep them blooming all summer long.